My name's Justin Hill. I'm Assistant Performance Manager here at CPW Staverton. There's been a factory on this site since 1896, and we've been making shredded wheat since the 1920s. Even after 25 years, it still amazes me every day I come here, the scale of the operation to make our shredded wheat. A fantastic fact about our shredded wheat, it is only wheat, one single ingredient that goes into our product. When the wheat arrives on site, we take a sample, we take it to our lab for testing. We test the wheat in our lab to make sure there's no imperfections in it, to make sure it's the best quality ingredient for our shredded wheat. We take our wheat berries in, we boil it in water to hydrate the wheat. We then send it into our shredding rolls, where we form into a continuous strip. The next stage after shredding, it's a bit of a secret so I can't show you, but this is where the biscuits are formed. After the biscuits are formed, it goes into our baking oven where it lifts the biscuits, it removes the moisture and it gives it a beautiful toasted flavour. Every year, 13,000 tonnes of wheat go through our shredded wheat cookers. After the oven, it's another quality check to make sure it's at its very best before we pack it. The shredded wheat we see today is the same shape, same size, same flavour that the consumers would know. In packing, we can produce up to 1,000 cartons an hour, which is pretty speedy, ready to be shipped off to our consumers.